Are you recording me? Making my quesadilla? My quesadilla. It's really yummy. I'm really excited. I got mozzarella.
Oh boy.
Because cheese is my favourite.
Hi.
Look at him. You're so cute.
Sarah.
Oh my god.
Hi. Don't lick it.
Did you see that?
Hey.
He's like, what?
Hi. Hi, baby.
I thought when that lady was photographing us. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Want some corn?
No, it's always like kind of weird because whenever I like turn on the camera, we'll just be like quiet. But if we're just like sitting here, like talking, like on our own.
What?
Like before, we were just talking like normally, and then the camera comes on, and then we like put on a show.
It's like now we're under pressure.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm eating corn nuts.
We're walking to Target.
I probably have that deep man voice thing going on right now that I hate.
You probably have to talk louder because we're outside and this camera's quiet. Hello, world! And we are way overdressed. I have no idea if I'm getting our outfits.
We're gonna
or
bring
not.
style to Colorado.
Because they don't have any here. Hi.
Hi.
What you doing?
Making flip-flops. Fun flip-flops for my friends.
Fun. How many more do you have to make?
Well, these are my string ones. Oh, okay. I'm making this for my friend, one friend. And then there's a puffy ball kind for my other friends.
Fun.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hi. We haven't told you about our little project, have we?
No.
The three of us. So, we decided to keep a video record of our lives.
Oh, that's a great idea, Anne. That's really good. You get some Ron doing the grilling tonight.
And Sarah and I filmed on the way to Target.
This is your favorite mac and cheese.
What? I'm going to after today. La la la.
Ooh,
That was so fun.
after this, we gotta film my cupcakes.
The cupcakes? Oh yeah. I'm making cupcakes tonight. Well, you are. Terrible lighting.
But they're not handmade, but it's really.
And we're grilling.
They're finished. Right? Yeah, that was good. See what it looks like on my feet. But these won't fit me.
What size are they? Who are they for?
Brianna. See, these won't fit me. I need to trim them some more, actually.
Yeah, they're gonna trip over them and put it
They
out.
do fit me kind of. Huh? They're cute. I gotta trim them some more.
Looking stylish today, Mom. Okay. You know what we should do? We should do outfits of the day.
This is my outfit of the day. I just put stuff on. Just a black shirt.
With fuzzies from your
Fuzzies.
fabric on it.
And
Where's
this
your necklace from?
necklace? I don't know. My friend gave it to me. It's like a little heart. And this. And then my.
What's on your nails?
What's on my nails?
Yeah, what
Nail
color?
polish.
No, I mean what color?
I don't know. Have the
Okay,
same
what
color.
brand?
China glaze. That's what it's.
Oh, okay.
Color. It's like a really pretty pink.
And
They're on my
plaid
toes, too.
shorts. Where are
Plaid
those from?
shorts. These are from, I don't know. I think they're from Target. They're so cute. They're cozy. First on my
And then no shoes.
No.
On my nails. I have Tarte Deco by Essie. Yes, I know the name. And just my string bracelets. Hi!
His outfit of the day is just
His name is Disco.
Disco or Muffin or
Muffin Bunny or Foxy Wolfie.
Or Foxy or Wolfie.
Hi, baby.
Or Baby.
Hi. So this is my outfit of the day, and I'm wearing this dress from TJ Maxx, and my hair was in a fishtail braid. You don't have to move. And then these bracelets are from JCPenney, and this one's from Aruba. And then what else? This necklace. Here, switch it. This necklace is from Forever 21. And then I wore these gladiators from Forever 21. And then, like, for part of the day, I wore this denim jacket, which is from JCPenney.
Cute.
Okay.
What was that?
I just communicated with aliens.
Do you want to do your outfit of the day? Hannah and I did already.
Okay. Like, what do you mean?
So I have the most annoying hiccups
Hiccups.
ever.
The lighting
Oh,
is.
God.
The lighting
Okay.
is. Tutorial. Tutorial. Oh, I missed it again.
You missed it.
Maybe we should just keep a camera
Yeah,
on
just keep
you.
it.
That was loud.
Aw.
You never know when they're coming either sometimes. Okay. I'm really bad at this, holding this camera.
I can't. Oh, I'm gonna be.
What game are you playing?
Bubble Blaster. I am obsessed with this game. I'm on
I am
level.
obsessed with
Come on.
Angry Birds now.
370.
Wow.
You can shut it off now.
Okay. Bye.
My hand is like shaking.
Orange juice. That's good enough. And then gingerbread.
Huh?
Not
I don't think it matters. Okay.
Okay. Let's see. We didn't really need 2 cans.
Yeah, we could see some, but I'm probably gonna have some more later.
This is good with like cranberry juice.
Hey, I want more. I want the rest of it. I like it more ginger ale-y than not ginger ale-y. Who texted me? Ew.
Okay.
Cheese cupcake.
We're making cupcakes now. Guess
Oh, it doesn't smell good.
guess what kind it is. It is
I can't guess.
white chocolate cupcake mix and raspberry frosting. That sounds so good. And it's in a box, too, obviously. What the heck am I doing? Am I? Oh, okay. I thought I was putting
Why
it
don't
up.
you just use a knife?
No. That is good. That is fun. I'm just about to throw this all away. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. It's too runny. It's way too runny.
It also tastes good.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's falling. It's falling.
What's falling?
Look at it. It's melting.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, it's just a little runny. It still tastes like
all I'm gonna
raspberries. No, you have to put more than that.
I can't. This thing is
Hannah.
too runny. Look.
Okay, don't lick your finger and then put it back on. It's gross. It's getting on the oven.
Good. It tastes too gross. Oh my. Yep, these are little. Hey, look my foot.
Now I'm recording.
Are you, what are you doing?
I don't know.
I'm texting. Ooh, how interesting.
Oh,
When?
Jeez, Mom.
I thought you put the salt on there.
What the heck? Why would I put
Why are you
salt?
always putting that many sprinkles?
You know what? Maybe I should just coat it so you don't taste the.
Sprinkles, sprinkles,
Hannah, do you see this one over the stove?
Yes, I do.
Just hold it over the sink.
There we go.
This one's like drenched and that has like nothing on
my
it.
second to worst cupcakes ever made.
Oh, the Thanksgiving ones are pretty good.
No, they were terrible. And I almost threw up after that.